The Nuwave Pro Induction Cooktop comes with an owner's manual, a quick start guide, and an easy-to-follow recipe book. In addition, the Induction Cooktop comes with an 8-inch Nuwave Duralon ceramic non-stick cookware pan and a guide on how to use and care for it. Before plugging it in, remove the protective plastics around the power cord and remove the sticker. The Induction Cooktop works exclusively with induction-ready cookware. To check if your cookware is compatible, simply use a magnet. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of your cookware, it is compatible with the unit. To turn on the Nuwave Pro Induction Cooktop, connect the plug into a power source. Once it is plugged in, the Induction Cooktop will power on to standby mode at its default settings, indicated by a 0 on the display. In standby mode, induction heating is not active and your cook settings are adjustable. If you press start without any adjustments to the cook settings, the unit will begin induction heating to the default temperature and time, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. To pause induction heating without changing your cook settings, press the pause/clear button once. To switch to standby mode at any time, press the pause/clear button twice. To power the Induction Cooktop off completely, simply unplug the power cord. If you try to start the Induction Cooktop without a compatible cookware on top, the unit will not start and instead display an E1 error after 12 seconds. If a cookware is placed within 12 seconds before the error, the unit will automatically begin induction heating to the selected settings. If a cookware is placed after the E1 error appears, press Start to resume induction heating to the selected settings. If no cookware is placed on the unit within 1 minute of the E1 error display, the device will automatically switch to standby mode. The Induction Cooktop comes with fixed temperature presets. The Sear button sets the temperature to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, high at 425 degrees, medium high at 375 degrees, medium at 275 degrees, medium low at 175 degrees, and low at 100 degrees. The plus and minus buttons will adjust the temperature in 10-degree increments from as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 500 degrees Fahrenheit. However, when approaching a preset temperature, the temperature will adjust in 5-degree increments. LED lights will simultaneously display on 2 presets if the temperature is in between them. Press the time button to set the timer. While the number is flashing, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the digit of the timer. Press the time button to toggle between the minute and hour digits of the timer. Press the start button to begin heating the cookware to the selected temperature and time. The maximum time the unit can cook for is 99 hours and 60 minutes. When the timer hits 0, the device will automatically switch to standby mode. Wattage control offers versatile benefits tailored to different settings. Press the watts button to toggle the wattage of the Induction Cooktop, indicated by an LED light. You can select 600 watts for campers, RVs, boats, and dorms, 900 watts for smaller kitchens and apartments, or 1300 watts for maximum power and efficient cooking. The Induction Cooktop includes a stage cooking function for up to 10 stages. To set up stage cooking, press the program button. Select your temperature and time for stage 1. Press the program button again to set the next stage. Select your temperature and time for stage 2. Press the program button again to set the next stage. Select your temperature and time for stage 3. When your stage settings are set, press the start button and the unit will start heating the cookware via stage 1 first, and then automatically switch to the next stage. After the final stage, the device will end cooking and then switch to standby mode after 3 beeps. To toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius on the display, press the program button and the minus button. In Celsius, the plus and minus buttons will change the temperature in increments that match the Fahrenheit levels. The Induction Cooktop also includes a delay cooking feature that allows the unit to begin induction heating to your selected settings after a chosen time. To activate delay cooking, press the program button and press time. Adjust the timer to how long you want to delay induction heating, and then press program again to set it. Then, choose your cook settings for when the delay timer ends, and then press start. The unit will now wait for the delay timer to finish before automatically turning on induction heating to your selected cook settings.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.